Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. Today it's the second order day from Sephora. So I just thought of sharing with all of you, and if you remember the first video of Sephora haul, I told you all that there is a foundation that I love, means love. Today, yeah, that foundation's day. This time I got this envelope. And the foundation that I wanted to talk about is It Cosmetics CC Cream. Love this stuff. Love this stuff. My mom loves it and she uses it every single day. And for me, I love to try different foundations, spring and summer. Go to. Love the way it feels on my skin. It has got SPF 50, which is very important, as you all know. I am a sun bunny. I love to go out and I just love to be under sun. So for me, it's an extra requirement. Wow, such a cute one, isn't it? I've got tan shade for me and I just love the message. I hope you can see that. You are beautiful, you are it, Jamie. Yeah, so that's true. I'm just going to use it, and this is just one pump is going to be heavy coverage. It's a full coverage product. On usual days, every day, I don't even take that much, but just to show you how much it can cover, it just gives the perfect skin with luminous feel. And that's what I love about it. It just makes the skin feel so smooth and silky and buttery that you just can't see any lines that you may have, and it just blurs everything out in a beautiful way, covers any blemishes that you may have on your skin. So smooth and so buttery. On a sunny summer day, I would just take it, a tiny amount of it, and I would just apply it with my fingertips, and that's makeup on the go for me. Just love the full coverage of It Cosmetics product and the texture. It feels so beautiful on the skin. You will not have to struggle to blend it. It will just go on easily and melt into your skin. I am filming this video near the sun, and that's my favorite spot to be. So if you are a sun bunny like me, you may want to check something out which can cover your SPF needs as well. I'll just give it some time. Sometimes I don't even set it with powder. It just goes smoothly and sets properly on its own. And just adds a beautiful veil of luminosity. I just love that. It is like my skin but better. It Cosmetics is a brand that I just love in general, and this one is my #1 favorite from the brand. And this one tube will last me throughout the season because this one tube can cover and it doesn't take much, so it just goes on and on. That's a very good thing. And I find the price point also great because it's a combination of foundation, SPF in it, and some days I don't even need to moisturize my skin. Although I make sure that after I cleanse my skin, I moisturize my skin. But this is such a beautiful product. So when I decide during summer days, I really want less layering on my face. So I just grab this product. I just go with this one, and it works as moisturizer, it works as foundation, and it works as SPF protection. So I just love this product. As my hair is done too, I'm going near the hairline, and of course after that I'll be using my bronzers. It has covered so nicely and I just don't need anything else on that, but still I'm left with the product, and I will make use of that product under my eyes, so I don't have to go for a separate concealer when I'm using this product. My clean beauty blender, just taking the excess water out, will just use this lightly under my eyes. My mom does not use concealer. She uses this, and it covers beautifully. And with that damp sponge, I'm just going to go over because I just love that skin-like feel. That's my brush on block. I got it from Costco and I just love the handy feel of it. I mean, it's very handy, and whenever I'm going for a walk or something, I just put on my CC cream from It Cosmetics, and then on top I go for this one. So I just mix and match this one and that. This comes like a translucent powder. So on top of this, I'll just go with that powder. It was a pack of 2 and I thought it was a good value. It will not leave any residue. Just to check if everything is on point. I think it is. And the final touch, today I'm wearing my beautiful Chanel red. I just love it. It's a classic elegant red. Just a touch up. Now the look is complete. This is my go-to look, and I just love to wear this beautiful lip color and just a shadow, a single one, and some mascara, some brow makeup. I just love this feel during summer, bright and sunny. So this is Soma saying bye to you. Like, share, subscribe, comment, and of course check out the affiliated link that I am posting these days, because that's another way to support my channel, and that is really going to be very encouraging. Thank you so much for now. Bye.